In Khayelitsha, it's normal to see dead bodies, lying. And it is also normal to hear gunshots, whether during the day, during the morning, or during the night. Even when someone screams or shouts for help, few people who could come out and go and rescue the person shouting for help. Khayelitsha has become a Gotham City, a city of violence. you know When darkness comes back again, sometimes feel nervous. I sometimes feel nervousness because darkness has a significance, in me. It symbolizes something else. I sometimes lose myself in darkness, and I sometimes discover myself in darkness. I was involved in gangsterism in the year 2009 and also in the year 2010. Bezikhona i-territorial wars apho ufumaniseka into yoba abantu abahlala ko-S akuvumelekanga into yoba ba-invade esinye ispace babe ko-C, babe ko-B, babe ko-A, njani njani. So in the year 2020 nge-12 kaMarch yaba khona ke ngoku i-fight between u-S no-A section apho kwa-endapha kusweleka abafana ababini. On that night, we were arrested, me and my 4 friends, to Paulsmoor prison where we served 9 months. I had sleepless nights, I was haunted, I was depressed, I had this everlasting trauma of what happened that night. I still remember the screams, okapis and bangers butchering, residents running around wildly. And that's my true story, not misleading publicity. And to me, it was not a nightmare to live that religion of soul poisoning madness and corrupting the environment. The biggest nightmare to me is this terrifying experience which I call daymare. There are people who kukho basekhona abantu abasabambelele kwi-past abasathi xa bendijonga bandijonge ngelaliso lobubulali nelaliso lobugebenga. Lo gama bekhona abantu abayibonayo imigudu yam kwizinto endizenzayo. So art was the healer, is the healer, is what changed me to be who and what I am today through expressing those pains.
Yeah, but Umhambi is one of, when I see him, I see the reflection of God. You understand now? What he says, you understand that, and the way he speaks, you understand, to the people who come to the space. Yeah, but he's exactly the person that I've been looking for. You understand, the person that I know, which is the person that I want to work with for the rest of my life. Yeah, because he's talented. You understand that? He's got a God-given talent. You understand? And at the same time, he's mannered. Yeah, and he knows exactly what we want, Emabukanye, and he knows what he wants as individual as well. So he's a great person, and the impact that we have done to him is I still a lot want to groom him so that he becomes a leader than a follower. You understand? I want him to lead Imabukanye to a right direction because I'm a very busy man. I still need to go to school. You understand? So I need a person like him who is fearless. You understand? Who is eager and willing to work with and for the people.
When the lights go up, hope is revived in me. Yeah, hope is revived in me because the darkness now is being swallowed.